Good evening, campers. All right, I wanted to videotape me eating, and I got the sun here, so I'm just going to use my sunshade. And I don't know if you remember these handy dandy little cubicle clips. I'm just going to see if I can block out that sun. Usually I love the sun, but not while I'm videoing. There we go. That's a lot better. What are we talking about now? All right, so I've been driving for 2 days to get to Quartzsite, and I'm hungry again. So I know I told everybody I love my mini noodle and rice cooker, but when you're driving, it gets really hot, and I just don't think it's practical. It's like, it's okay if you're going to pull over and use something like that, but because of the high heat temperature, I don't do that. All right, we put our seat in the upright position, handy dandy dining tray. I hope you don't mind me eating. I'm going to eat. Did I do this backwards? I did do this backwards. The steering wheel goes the other way. The one thing about these dining trays is you got to have the steering wheel in the right position. All right, so I just had to restart the car, put it in the other position. And okay, what do I mean by the other position? Steering wheel sort of like a peace sign. Where the peace sign is, that has to be up. The big open area is where this is going to attach to. Yay, I got meal. I got meal. I got food. I got yum yum. I go yum 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 yum. I'm hungry. All right, so what do I use when I'm driving and I want to eat? Now, I've talked about this before, and I should have did a video before Christmas. These are so lovely to have. This is called, come here. Oh my gosh, the crab won't let me have it. This, let's take a screenshot. This is my Hot Logic Mini, and these come in either 12 volt or 110 volt. Now then, how do you use the Hot Logic Mini? Basically, okay, don't get on to me. I know my food's not healthy or anything, but when I drive, I eat a lot of these. I get these over at the commissary for like $2. And this, you just take it out of its package, flip it open a little, leave it there, put it inside. And what I like to do, here, I will demonstrate purposes. What do you do after you take everything out of the wrapper and vent it? You put it inside. You can zip it up. You might not want to zip it up. Anyhow, basically, because this is only going to get to 160, 165 degrees, I want this to cook a little bit more rapidly. English not good. So I cover this in a blanket because it's such a low temperature. I seem to never have a problem with it. You guys figure it out. Now then, if I want to heat a can of soup, I also in my drawer have a glass casserole dish, and I pour the soup into the glass casserole dish and put it in here, and it works. I found my glass casserole dish, I believe, over at TJ Maxx, but you know how inventory changes everywhere. So I love the Hot Logic Mini. There's the pros of this. This is very low wattage. It doesn't take a lot of your battery power, but the other problem is, for something like this might take 45 minutes to heat up, and I'll stir it every 15 minutes. So that is my Hot Logic. I love it. I also, okay, so let's talk about what did I bring. Kate's coming. Yay! Kate's coming. I can't believe it. I'm happy about that. I brought a lot of different things to cook with and demo. Let's see if I can get this open. Terry, what's for dinner? What am I going to have for dinner? All right, so I've had enough of these instant meals. So I was in the back. I got Tillamook beef jerky, and I had my snack on the run with crackers. The crackers will give me the carbohydrates. I know, yucky food. Terry, you're being bad. But you know what? When you're on the run and you just want to eat fast, I'm going to eat fast. Now, true, I am in Quartzsite, but I don't feel like going out and eating. Maybe tomorrow I'll do the Stagecoach restaurant. But my motto for this year, what is my motto for this year? All right, so who remembers a couple of years ago when everybody was getting sick and there was no toilet paper on the shelves? I do. Well, I bought a ton of toilet paper, a ton of food, a ton of all this stuff. Well, my motto this year is use it up. Use it up. Use it up. Whatever it is, whether it's a craft supply or whatever, use it up. Instead of buying more, use it up. That's the words I'm going to live by. All right, so let me talk to you about what kind of camping equipment did I bring. Hey, put it in the comments below. What kind of camping food cooking things do you have, right? I just love a good jerky stick. All right, so you met my Hot Logic, and I have that in the 12 volt and the 110 volt. Now, the 12 volt, I can plug right in here while I'm driving. The 110 volt, I use it when I'm, like if the pavilion actually had electricity, or I'm in a hotel room and I want to heat something up, that's what I'll do there. If the hotel doesn't have a microwave. So I brought my Hot Logic, two of them. I brought a solar cooker. I'm hoping to get Kate out there and we do some solar cooking things. That'll be so much fun. I brought my mini noodle cooker with the Stanley. That is so nice. Now that's really great for heating up soups and all this food. And I would do that if I was over at the over at the dog park. They have a huge pavilion. I would just bring out my Blue Eddy, plug it in, and heat up my meal. It takes, what, 6 to 10 minutes to heat up a can of soup, so that's pretty good, and have my lunch. But since I didn't want to do that right now, I can also heat it up in here, you know. But I like the idea of having a pavilion, having a picnic table. So I brought my mini noodle cooker and the rice cooker too. I like the rice cooker a lot. Yeah, that's pretty good. Are you guys eating breakfast, lunch, or dinner with me? You're all in different time zones, right? Want to say hi to Lucy? Come here, Lucy. Yep. What's Lucy eating? Only the best dog food that Mr. Louie buys from her. Come here. Want to say hi to everybody? Say hi. Wait. Say hi. Oh my gosh, she's wagging her tail and everything. She's so excited. Oh, she thinks she's getting my jerky. So, let me recap what I brought. You know, I've cooked on my butane stove. That I like. I better use it up. I got a lot of butane that I bought during the crisis. Right at the time of the crisis, I could buy 4 packs of butane for $4.99. Now I'm seeing them for $2.99 for a single cartridge. So it's like, I'm so glad I have things like the Hot Logic and things that I can run off my Blue Eddy and my Goal Zero. Yeah, I'm really, really happy. Cooking with the sun, it's going to save me a lot of money. And my little butane cooker, I love it. I brought my little itty bitty one. I will do a demo on that one. That one I like for heating hot water and soups too. What, Lucy? Oh my gosh. She knows I have pepperoni out. But so what do I have? 6 things to cook with? That's overkill. You really only need 1 or 2 things to cook with. But I'm a YouTuber. I got to do videos. Okay, so now that you know what I have to cook, what all did I bring? So a lot of easy to prepare meals, but to counterbalance, I got like the, it's not Dinty Moore, the little cans of fruit, not cans of fruit, they're little plastic containers of fruit. I got a lot of vegetables with me in cans. Oh my gosh, maybe tomorrow I'll make some, not eggs. I don't think I brought my powdered egg mix. We're also going to test out some MREs, but I was thinking tomorrow. Lucy, calm down for a minute. She really wants the jerky stick. Oh my gosh, you're not getting the jerky stick. Let's see, I was going over what all I brought simply, and then Lucy does this and my brain goes kablammy. All right, so put it in the comments below. Do you ever go camping? If so, how do you cook? How do you prepare your meals? I'm as lazy as possible most of the times. I mean, sometimes, I did a couple of videos of me doing faux fall soup in here. You know, yeah, but I just want a quick meal. Anyhow, love you guys, and I'll see you down the road. Bye, everyone.